Hi guys, have you seen our latest video? I mean, who doesn't love Eeyore? And then there's Tigger, Winnie the Pooh, Piglet. I mean, the whole gang. I just love them all. And the kids love them too. Winnie the Pooh is such a classic. You know, when I was younger, I also loved Winnie the Pooh. That's why, up until now, it is one of the most requested cake topper in the industry. I have uploaded a step-by-step guide on how to create Eeyore. It's so easy to follow and it's so detailed. You'll be creating all the Disney characters in no time. I have also uploaded a video of Tigger fondant topper, so if you're interested, please watch and subscribe to our channel. We will be uploading more and more videos of different characters that will really help you to level up your cake decorating skills. In this video, I have detailed all the things that you have to do step by step and all the fondant tools that I have used so that it will be easier for you to use it as well. They are Amazon affiliated links, so if you buy from my link, I'll get a small amount in order for me to create more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much, and if you like our video for today, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you!